2021 has been a very new game-changing for everyone. It requires a new strategy in dealing with life, especially in terms of income. A variety of additional skills will definitely help in maintaining resilience in the competition. Welcome to EVOLUSIBINA, and here is our list of 7 additional skills that can be learned in 2021, even for those from the technical background. Number 1. Communication. Effective communication skills are essential to convey an idea or message accurately. Effective communication involves verbal speech, gestures, and emotional intelligence. This will be able to help convince prospective employers, prospective clients, and prospective customers. But all too often, when we try to communicate with others, something goes astray. It's about understanding the emotion and intentions behind the information. Communicating more clearly and effectively requires learning some important skills. Number 2. Negotiation. Negotiation skills are also important for various levels of business, from sales to service offerings. Negotiation skills can also be used to reach a consensus that can provide benefits on both sides. Good negotiation contributes greatly to business success because it helps you build better relationships. Continuous practice is the key to improving your negotiation skills. Keep in mind that changing business practices can present new challenges. Negotiation skills can help you develop your career, secure a higher salary, and meet critical business needs. Number 3. Marketing skill. Marketing skills are very important for those who want to offer products or services. Marketing is about understanding what customers want and supplying it. Effective marketing will be able to give a clear picture to customers. Marketing knowledge and skills can be learned and improved at various levels practically over time. Sharpening marketing skills should be a top priority for anyone who's looking to step up their game. If you want to make your customers feel, think, and act, focus on upgrading your marketing skills. Number 4. Business and financial planning skills. Financial and business management skills are also important for those who want to take advantage of certain skill abilities. Knowing the current demand and the services that can be offered is an advantage. By using existing technical skills, for example, you can offer services to those in need. Managing finances properly will allow business and personal finances to be secure and not burdensome. Financial literacy is important because it equips us with the knowledge and skills we need to manage money effectively. Number 5. New tech adaptability. Various new technologies began to enter the market and began to be used in daily life. Adapting to new technologies will allow us to remain relevant in existing markets and customers. From smartphones to cloud databases, we need to quickly follow these changes and find new potential. For example, the use of blockchain, which can speed up the payment process, will save time for various parties. Productivity and affordability will be further increased in addition to the potential to do more diverse work. Number 6. Learn new language. The ability to speak multiple languages is undeniably a good additional skill. Being able to speak the customer's native language can increase customer appeal. Customers are certainly amazed to see you can speak in their language, as well as in multiple languages. Speaking more than one language have improved memory, problem-solving, and critical thinking skills, enhanced concentration ability to multitask, and better listening skills. Language becomes more powerful when understood by a wider community than just those closest to you. Number 7. Home repair skill. The ability to repair a home or do small renovation activities can help save on daily costs. Basic areas that can be tried are such as wiring, air con, plumbing, and carpentry. One simple key to learning to do your own home repairs: believe in yourself. You also have more control over your home projects. In addition to for your own use, you can also use these skills to help others and earn rewards from the results. And that's our list for the 7 skills you could learn in 2021. Which one would you be interested to try first? Or do you have any additional skills that we missed out? Let us know in the comment below. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you on next video.